The water cycle is a very important cycle that maintains life on Earth. Many people think that they know everything about the water cycle, but do not know the full extent of what this process is. Most people are misinformed about this topic and believe that the water cycle is very simple, but it is much more. The water cycle is a great example of physical change and of changing matter states. This circuit is very complex and has many steps and stages. It is commonly overlooked as water evaporating to the sky and as water raining back down. Today, I will be informing you about what the water cycle is, how it is formed, how it works, and much more. Let's start with what the water cycle is. The water cycle is a series of events in which water is being recycled throughout the whole entire Earth. This process includes 4 steps: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and transpiration. The first step of the water cycle is evaporation. Evaporation is when water transitions from being a liquid into a gas, turning into a vapor from water. This stage occurs when water becomes heated up to a point where molecules escape from water and becomes a vapor. The vapor rises into the atmosphere. The next stage is condensation. Condensation occurs when the water vapor cools down and attaches itself with the dust in the atmosphere and forms water droplets. The water droplets float into the atmosphere and create clouds. Third is precipitation. Precipitation occurs when water is being let out from clouds, also known as rain. There are other forms of precipitation other than the rain as well, such as snow, sleet, and hail. It is formed when warm and damp air cools down and drops in temperature. Transpiration is last. It is the process in which moisture in plants change into vapor and is sent into the atmosphere. Transpiration is the evaporation of water from plant leaves. The water cycle is very important. It is the process that provides our planet water. Without the water cycle, there would be no clouds, and without clouds, the Earth's temperature would increase a decent amount. That is because clouds reflect off sunlight. If the water cycle didn't exist, there would be no rain, and with no rain, many ecosystems and plants will cease to exist. In conclusion, the water cycle is a crucial process that keeps inhabitants on Earth alive. Life on Earth would never be the same without the water cycle.